Python's istitle, isupper, and islower methods are crucial for verifying string casing, each returning true or false. Isupper checks if all cased characters in a string are uppercase. This is useful for validating acronyms or ensuring shouted text. For example, "Hello Python, isupper" returns true. Non-cased characters are ignored. Conversely, islower confirms if all cased characters are lowercase.
Use it for standard text or usernames. So, "Hello Python, islower" returns true. Finally, istitle determines if a string is title cased, meaning each word starts with an uppercase letter, and all other cased characters are lowercase.
This is perfect for formatting titles or names. For instance, "Hello Python, istitle" is true. These methods are precise and ignore spaces or numbers, focusing purely on character casing. The initial part of the code demonstrates the fundamental behavior of islower, isupper, and istitle methods using various predefined strings. Each string, S1, S2, S3, is tested against all three methods, and the Boolean result is printed, clearly illustrating how each method evaluates different casing conventions. This section serves as a direct clarification of what each's method returns for common string types. Following the basic demonstrations, the code provides practical examples for each method. The islower check validates if a user_input_ tag meets a lowercase requirement, common for consistent tagging systems. Similarly, isupper is used to verify if a product_code adheres to an all-uppercase format, which is often a standard for identifiers or acronyms.
Finally, istitle is employed to ascertain if a person_name is correctly formatted in title case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized, and the rest are lowercase. These conditional blocks showcase how these Boolean checks can be directly applied within if-else statements to enforce formatting rules, validate user input, or process data based on specific casing requirements, enhancing program logic and data consistency.